Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use add parameters tool. So what this tool basically does is inside of a Revit family, it allows you to create a parameter basically for multiple Revit families instead of just one. And first I'm going to show you that process for one family, and then I'll show you the tool. So normally if you did this for one family, you'd open the family, go to modify, edit family types, and then you would go to new parameter and then specify its family or shared parameter. We'll just assume family, call it test1, assume all this stuff is good, hit OK, and now we have a new parameter called test1. And say that you want to do this for multiple families, you wanted that parameter. What you'd have to do is you'd have to open family. I have this folder that I already made on my desktop. And you would have to do the same thing for each and every single family. And as you could probably guess, that gets tedious. Um, but what this program does is it's in WW Setup, by the way. And what this program does, first it tells you to select the families to add. So I'm just going to select all those families that I mentioned on my desktop. And then basically the same screen pops up where it allows you to add a parameter. But in this case, it's going to add it to all of these families. So I'm just going to hit family. I'm going to call this one test2. And you can actually give it a default value now. I believe the one I made was it was a dimension, so I think it was a length. And just give it, I don't know, 1. Okay. And as you see now, it's actually opening each of those families and creating that parameter and saving it with a value of 1. So I think there was, what, 8 files, so it's going to open 8. And at the end, I'm going to show you that it should be test 2. And it gave it a value of 12, which is 1 foot. And that's basically just how you use the tool. Thank you.